Good evening, everyone. We are going to continue with straight lines. Question number 9. Vertices of a triangle PQR are P 2, 1, Q minus 2, 3, and R 4, 5. Find the equation of median through the vertex R. So before I start the question, I'll tell you what is a median. If we have a triangle A, B, and C, a median is a line drawn from any one point or any one vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the other side. So if I join A to the midpoint of BC and name it D, I can tell AD is one of the median. Similarly, I can draw one more line, say from B to the midpoint of AC and name it say E, then BE will also be a median. Similarly, I can do the same thing with C also. From the point C, if I draw a line connecting the midpoint of AB and name it say F, I can tell that CF is going to be a median. So a median is a line drawn from any one vertex of a triangle to the opposite side such that it connects the midpoint of the opposite side. Is that clear? Now let us go back to the question. So triangle PQR is given. So I have plotted the same on the graph. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. From the vertex R, I have drawn a median. The median is RS. So we have to find the equation of the line RS. This is what we have to do in the question. So let me write down the median. So R S is the median. RS is the median. So, can I find out the coordinates of S using the midpoint formula? Because I know that RS is a median. Since RS is a median, S should be a midpoint of PQ, right? So I can write since RS is a median, S has to be a midpoint of PQ. So I can write the midpoint formula. So I know that the midpoint formula is given by, say I will write for S only. So I can write S x comma y. It is given as x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now I can consider P as x1 y1, Q as x2 y2. So if I do that, so I'll be taking P, which is 2 comma 1, as x1 comma y1, and I'll be taking Q, which is minus 2 comma 3, as x2 and y2. Now I'll be getting the coordinates for S, which is S x comma y, which will be equal to 2 minus 2 divided by 2 comma 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So I will be getting S, which is x comma y. I will be getting it as 0 comma 2. So this point I have got as 0 comma 2. Now I have to find the equation of the line RS. Which is the formula I can use? Can I use y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 will be equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1? So the slope of the line, when we know 2 points, which is 2 point formula, right? It says y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now let me consider one of the value as x1 and another value as x2, and I will be getting the answer. Yes. So let me consider r 4 comma 5 as x1 comma y1, and say s, which is 0 comma 2 as x2 comma y2. Now I will be substituting the same in this equation. If I do that, I will be getting yes. So next, this, oh yes. So did I take, okay, I will be solving it over here. So I will be getting y minus 5 divided by 2 minus 5, which is going to be equal to x minus 4 divided by 0 minus 4. So I need to take the cross product. When I take the cross product, I will be getting y minus 5 multiplied by 4, which is going to be equal to x minus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5. I can write it as minus 3. So I will be getting 4y minus 20, which is going to be equal to minus 3x plus 12. Transferring this to the other side, I will be getting over here, which is 3x plus 4y. And here it is, it minus, or have I missed it something? Okay, this is 12. Okay, this is plus 20, I guess. So this is y plus, because minus of minus, it is plus. So this is also going to be plus. So 20 minus 12, it is going to be plus 8, which is going to be equal to 0. So the final answer is going to be 3x plus 4y plus 8 is will be equal to 0. So this is going to be your answer. Yes. So this is minus 4, and this is, I will just make this proper. So this is minus, this is also minus, so this also should be minus. So this is your equation. So let us move on to question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 5 minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So there is a line which is passing through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So I have 2 comma 5 over here and minus 3 comma 6 over here. So this is a line. Okay, now we have to find the equation of a line which is passing through the point minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line which is passing through these 2 points. So basically we have to find the equation of the red line over here. Is that clear? So let me start with the question. Let me take the given lines. So the given points I'll be taking, the given points are 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So when I know two lines, can I find out the slope? Yes, right. So the slope is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is going to be the slope? Can I write it as 6 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2? So will I be getting it as minus 1 comma 5? Yes. So let me consider this as m1. So m1 is going to be minus 1 comma 5. So this is the slope of the green line. So this is the slope of this line. Next I will be considering the slope of the red line. Next I will be considering the slope of red line to be consider the slope of red line to be m2. Okay, now can I tell that since these two lines are perpendicular, the product of this slope and this slope, it should be equal to minus 1. So I can tell m1 into m2 should be equal to minus 1 because the two lines are perpendicular. So I can write over here m1 is minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 divided by 5 multiplied by m2, it is going to be minus 1. So what will be the value of m2? Can I write m2 will be equal to 5? So m2 I will be getting equal to 5. Now we know that this point we can take as x comma y. We already know this point, we already know the slope also. So we can easily find the equation of the red line using the formula. So let me write the formula, that is one point formula, which is y minus y naught, or y1 you can take, or y naught also you can take, anything, both are one and the same. Okay, so y minus y naught will be equal to m into x minus x naught, right? So this is your equation. So let me take the same point over here. So y minus y naught I can take as this 5, right, will be equal to m I have got as 5 for the red line, multiplied by x minus x naught. X naught I can take as minus 3, right? X naught is minus 3, so minus of minus 3. So I will be getting this as y minus 5, which will be equal to 5 multiplied by x plus 3. So y minus 5 is going to be equal to 5x plus 15. So transferring to the other side, I will be getting 5x minus y plus 20 is going to be equal to 0. So the equation of the red line will be 5x minus y plus 20 will be equal to 0. I think somebody has joined, so let me just check. Yes. Good evening, Shreya. I have just started with the class. A couple of problems are done. Okay. You can find the same in the recording, so you'll not be missing the session. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
So I'll be going to question number 11. So before I go to question number 11, I just wanted to discuss the section formula, because we have to use the section formula over here. So if there is a line A, B, and there is another point P such that it divides the line AB in the ratio M and N, then the coordinate of P is given by the section formula, which is M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 divided by M2 plus M1, or here they have taken M1 and M2 as the ratios. Okay, don't get confused with the slope, because even the slope is represented by M. Okay, here it is not the slope, it is the ratio in which the lines are divided. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, now let me start solving the question. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3 divides divide it in the ratio 1 is to n. Find the equation of this line. So this is what we have to do. First, what I'm going to do is, let me take x1 and y1. Let me find out the points. Okay, so there is a line which is joining 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3, right? So we have 1 comma 0 over here and 2 comma 3 over here, and there is a line which is perpendicular to this line, and it divides it in the ratio 1 is to n. So let me take this point and let me find out what is this point first. Okay, can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first I will be taking over here x1 and y1. So x1 comma y1, let it be 1 and 0. X2 and y2, let it be 2 and 3. So the ratios are given as m, which is equal to 1, and n is taken as n only, right? So n is taken as n only. So when I write, so let this point be, say, x is equal to, s is equal to x comma y. So s is equal to x comma y, it is given by, so m1 1 into 2 plus n into 1 whole divided by 1 plus n, comma, here it will be 1 multiplied by 3 plus n multiplied by 0 whole divided by 1 plus n. Yes, so I will be getting s is x comma y, which is going to be equal to 2 plus n whole divided by 1 plus n, comma, 3 divided by 1 plus n. So 3 plus 0, you can write it as 3 itself. There is not going to be any difference, right? Now, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope of the line. So I know that the slope of the line is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So substituting, I will be getting this as 3 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 1. So I think I have, 1 second. Okay, let me extend it here. So it has come under question number 12, right? Yes. So 3 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 1. So I can write my slope m, which is equal to 3 divided by 1. Can I write it as 3? 3 itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Again, I should be using the same formula to find the slope of the other line. If the two lines are parallel, okay, if the two lines are parallel and one of the slope is m1, another slope is m2, then what can I tell? Can I tell that m1 multiplied by m2 should be equal to minus 1? So let this be equal to m1. So I can write m1 multiplied by m2 should be equal to minus 1. So 3 multiplied by m2 should be equal to minus 1. So I will be getting m2 as minus 1 over. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will be getting m2 as minus 1 over 3. So let me extend this because I will be needing it. Next, after I have found out my m2, I need to again substitute or use 1 point formula. So using the 1 point formula, which is given by y minus y naught. So let me take one more ink. So this is y minus y naught will be equal to m into, sorry, so this is going to be m here. So m into x minus x naught. So this is going to be the 1 point formula. What is the point which we have got? This is the point, right? So this point over here, which is our s. What is the point s? This is our point s. So I have to substitute the same thing over here. So upon doing that, I will be getting the answer as y minus, so it is 3 divided by 1 plus n, which is going to be equal to minus 1 by 3 is the slope multiplied by x minus x naught. So what will I be getting there? Minus 1 minus 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n. So this is what I'll be getting when I substitute x naught and y naught. What is your x naught and y naught? X naught and y naught is nothing but s, which is x comma y. Okay. What is this point we have got? We have got this point as 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n and 3 divided by 1 plus n. So I have substituted the same thing over here. Now I need to solve the same in order to get the answer. Okay, so here what I will be doing is I can take by cross multiplying 3 on the other side, so I can take 3 common. 3 multiplied by 1 plus n, cross multiplied multiplied by y, minus 3 into 3, which is equal to 9, which is going to be equal to minus 1 into 1 plus n. From here, when I cross multiply with x, and plus 2 plus n. So again I will be taking 1 plus n as common, so 1 plus n. Now I will be writing x plus 3 into 1 plus n. If I take over here, multiplied by y, so 3 into y minus n minus 9, minus this comes over here, so minus 2, which is going to be equal to 0. So upon solving again, here I will be taking 1 plus n multiplied by what did I have here? Here I had x, right, plus 3 into 1 plus n multiplied by y, multiplied by y, and minus n minus 9 and minus 2 I will be getting as minus 11, will be equal to 0. Anything further I can simplify? 1 and minus, no, I don't think I can simplify any further. So this is going to be the equation of the line. This completes the question number 11. We will move on to the next question. Question number 12. Find the equation of the line that cuts equal intercepts on coordinate axis and passes through the point 2 comma 3. So the main thing in this question is it cuts equal intercepts. What is an intercept? Intercept is a point where a line intersects x-axis and a y-axis. A point where the line intersects the y-axis, it is called the y-intercept. The point where the line intersects the x-axis, it is called the x-intercept. In this case, they have given that both of them are equal, right? So one of them I can take it as uh, a, and another one I can take it as b. So